of Bulls and Bears. I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. Back there it is, guys. So buy the dip, man. Hope you guys been enjoying these great bear days in the market. And that is what we're going to cover in today's video, guys. I've been spending a lot of money, and for me, I spent about $700 roughly. And I'm going to run down what I've been putting my money into to let you guys know what maybe you want to put your money into as well. So, alright guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. Guys, I love and appreciate every single one of you. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. We're all but at 19,000, so I think we can get there in the next few days. So let's get to this video, baby. Let's go! Alright guys, so here you can see for the day, we are down a little bit, but not terrible. We are down about $92 or so in the day. So a little bit of a red day, but I can live with it because if we go to the 1 week, as you can see, I'm down $187, which is 4.4%. But if we look at the 1 month chart, I'm up 68%, up $1,600, guys. So we're fine with these couple bear days in the market, and I'm very happy with that because I'm going to show you what I purchased. And yes, we're looking at it. I got back in another LCA options call because the price was right. Now, it is a little close. It is a little bit of a risk, but I'm willing to take that risk because LCA dropped down into the $18, so I said it is time to pick this up. So as you can see down here, I'm going to go down here. Expiration date, December the 18th. The cost, I paid $125 for this contract. My average cost per share is $1.25. And the market value now is 130 bucks. I'm up 4% on that investment already. Guys, today as you look down here, I tried to get a couple contracts and I could not get them filled. I don't know what it was. The market on LCA was going up and down like crazy. I could not get them filled. Finally, I got one filled this afternoon, as you can see. And I was real excited about that. So now we're going to let this bad boy ride up and see if we can make some more gains because, as you guys know, man, the merger should be coming. So any pop of news on the merger, and to the moon we go, baby. That's right, to the moon. I'm going to be real excited about that. So, guys, that is a small piece of what I've been purchasing. So let me get in here and show you now to what else. All right, guys, now we're going to talk into probably one of my most favorite sleeper stocks right now, and that is Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF, guys. This thing, I don't know what it is, but Tattooed Chef is not really getting any love right now. But we are up here after hours, which is kind of nice. And I went in, now I did not purchase any shares, but I went in and bought those options contracts that I promised you guys the other day. So, you might want to look into the options contract, guys, and see if it's going to work out for you. But I think for me, I'll show you what I have, and you can make a decision if you want to pick it up and join the journey with me on these options contracts on Tattooed Chef. And like I said in that video, the reason I'm picking up these options contracts is because of New Year's resolution, guys. That is the main thing. People wanting to get healthy. We're in quarantine. People wanting to order plant-based cauliflower foods. So I think that Tattooed Chef's going to be a winner. So, here's what I did purchase. I have 3 contracts of a value of $168. And if you look down here, that today I made $10. Total return is up $3. So, I'm already up on the position, which is fine. But I average cost my positions, guys, is what I did. So, here's the first contract. It's a small one. It is a small one. It is a expiration of 12/18. And I paid $20 for the contract, and we're already at a market value of $28. We are up $8, up 40% on that investment already. So I think that's really nice that we're already making money, and this thing could go up even more value. How much money on this 20 bucks can I make in the next like 2 weeks or so, roughly, guys? So we're going to keep a track on the journey on this little $20 contract. So we're going to see what we can do. So there's no harm in risking $20 on a contract, guys. So let me go back here and pull up my other 2 contracts here for you guys. And let's see, does it break it down here? Okay, so it kind of does them averaged out. And the expiration on these are January the 15th of 2021. My total cost, guys, for 2 contracts was $145. I believe the first one I purchased was $85 the day after I told you about doing it. The price dropped down because the bulls came in and every stock dropped, not just Tattooed Chef, but everything dropped, guys. I mean, everything went down right now to the ground, so you're getting some really great deals. It is Black Friday, man. It is Christmas. You know, it's Happy New Year, whatever you want to say. It is time to put your money in either options or shares. I kind of mixed it up between options and shares because I'm only risking right now, my total cost is $165 in Tattooed Chef for 3 contracts, and I'm happy with that, man. I'm happy with that. I got that small one, and I got these bigger ones here for a January 15th expiration date. So it says my total return right now is I'm down $5, which I'm not really worried about that because I have a total investment of $145. But guys, I feel really good about this Tattooed Chef and only having a little bit of money invested for a chance to get, you saw the gains I had in the LCA options. And just imagine if we get some great news on Tattooed Chef. And if the bulls come out and this thing runs back up, guys, this stock has been beaten down. It has not been getting any love. I'm going to go here to the actual share, the stock itself. Guys, if you look at this chart, man, this thing was up to like $28. So that's why I'm really bullish on Tattooed Chef. And it's kind of went up. You know, it was up here 28, went down to, you know, in the 19s. And it was up here again to 26. And ever since then, in October, this stock has been getting no kind of love, man. So we're due for this stock to kind of take off. Just like Rocket Mortgage. Rocket Mortgage is very similar. That it's a great business. They're making money, but they're not getting no love. And I think Tattooed Chef is in that same boat. That is not getting no love. So that's why I purchased these options contracts. And I think it's going to be a winner. So we'll check back in these in the future and see how we're doing. So let's get into the next thing that I purchased. All right, guys, that's right. You're looking at it. Here's the next thing that I purchased. APEXT Technology. Ticker symbol APXT. Man, I had to get in on this. We've been talking about this in the Discord. EC Traders. The link is down in the description, guys. You want to join the group and have a great time. But I went in here and I purchased some shares. I'm going to show you here. I purchased them twice. So on December the 1st, I bought 10 shares at $14.15. And 6 hours ago, I purchased 10 more shares at $13.73. So I'm building out my position. And the goal here is to try to get 100 shares of APXT because I like to get this up to around that $25, $30 price point, just like I plan on doing with LCA. And I want to run the wheel strategy. This company has huge potential, guys. And if you don't know, I mean, I think every YouTuber now is covering APEXT Technology, so I really don't need to give you a history lesson on what APEXT Technology is. But just a couple quick things. If you go here to the Yahoo Finance, the market cap is almost at $600 million. And also, it's a Microsoft cloud partner. A-Point is going to the public merger with the blank check company APEXT Technology. So that is the big deal, that Microsoft cloud partner A-Point is doing their own thing. So that is why this stock has huge potential. It's already partnered with Microsoft. And I'm going to read these quotes word for word by my man Wancho. Right here they are in the Discord, if you guys can see that. Right there. So Wancho said, APXT executive team is top notch. He used to be the CEO of BKNG for 16 years and Twillo, TWLO. So the ticker symbol he used to be the CEO of is BKNG, which is a $3,000 stock. And he used to be the CEO of TWLO Twillo as a $300 stock. So now he is in with APEXT Technology. Well, A-Point, and it's a Microsoft partner. And we also got here that the CFO of APEXT said it's 12x potential for its IPO price. So it's a very easy buy, man. This is like a Christmas present right here that I think we needed to finally get in on this channel. And that's, guys, why I sold my LCA options, because I had so much profit in those options and I had to capture the profit, guys. I had $1,200 over almost $1,300 in buying power, and I put that buying power to work. So if we get out here to this, I have 20 shares now at an average cost of $13.94. So I am down currently on that position because I did buy on the 14s, but now it's 13.25, and I tell you what, this thing opens up tomorrow at 9:30. At these low 13s, I'm buying 10 more shares. That's right, because I have more buying power. So if I go down here, yeah, here's my buying power. I have $535 in buying power, and I got all these options contracts running. So if I start getting some gains in those options, I'm going to cash them out. And if the market's still low here on this APEXT technology, I'm going to pick up more. And like I said, if this thing is down again tomorrow, I'm buying 10 more. If I get it in under probably 13.40 and lower, I'm picking up 10 more shares to build out my position. So, guys, I suggest that too. If you do not have this stock, get some money in this stock right away. Because at these prices, you're going to make some money, man. I'm promising. You're going to make some money. And I'm happy that I got my feet wet here, got my first 20 shares, and we're building out that position. That's what it's all about, man. You don't need $1 million. Get $100, buy 5 shares, buy 8 shares. Get $200, buy like 10 or 15 shares. So for 20 shares, I spent $278, so like $280. I got me 20 shares. Got me into the game of APEXT technology. So guys, let's get into the next thing that I purchased. All right, guys, and here is the last one. This is my penny stock play. So I'm running Genius Brands and I'm running the YJ stock. And these are the 2 penny plays that I'm going to start talking about more. And I think that they have potential. But we're focusing on YJ here. And if you don't know what it is, let me tell you what it is, man. Yunji here has some crazy potential. And it's technically thinking outside the box. And there has been a little bit of a dip in it because that thing ran up to the moon real quick. And now it's dropped off a little bit. So we're going to talk about what happened real quick and why I purchased it. So basically there was a Morgan Stanley analyst, Eddie Wang. He gave the Yunji stock an underweight rating and basically saying that it won't return as much as the benchmark average. And he gave it a price target of $3.40. So it sold down a little bit, which is a great buying opportunity. So I did unfortunately purchase this at a little higher cost the other day because I did mention this in one of my other penny play stock videos. So as you see, guys, I have 30 shares of the YJ stock and an average cost of $13.16. And the current market value here, it says I paid $94 and it's worth $83. But I'm not worried about this for the short term. This is when I want to build out 100 to 200 positions in the future and just kind of hang on to it and see what happens because this company is doing something different and I really like that. And the first time I purchased down here, 25 shares at $3.25, and then today I did buy 5 more shares at $2.71. So just basically wanting to hear what's going to happen with this bad boy. And let's get in here, guys. As you can see right now in the Yahoo Finance, this thing has a $583 million market cap. And if you don't know what it is, let me give you just a little quick rundown of what it is. So the company has reported a cooperative deal with the streaming video platform called Douyin in China. Douyin is owned by TikTok parent company ByteDance. So that is why, if we go back here and look at the chart, you'll see where this thing ran up to the moon. It was $1.88, guys. This stock was $1.88, and that news came out, and this thing went up to the moon to 505, and now we're down to 279. So just on that news that YJ has paired with Douyin in China. So this is a China play. And if you don't know what this business actually is, it is a very interesting business. So it's live streaming sales. That is what they're doing. So basically you would try to sell stuff during a live stream. So you want to sell clothing. You want to sell merchandise. You can do it through the ByteDance app, which is going to be really huge, guys. So Douyin Company owns TikTok. Douyin Company owns ByteDance, which is big in China. So think about the possibility with the way the world is going right now. Got to get the brain moving a little bit. Do you think that, would you buy something from someone on a live stream? Like, would you buy that shirt back there because it's on a live premiere here on YouTube and you want to support me? So that's why I think this stock has some crazy potential. Now, I don't suggest throwing tons of money into it. Like I said, this is a penny stock play, so you do got to be careful. But is it worth to throw a couple $100 in it and see how this market has a chance of taking off? So I think I'm going to bet out that maybe about 100 shares and get a position built up and try to get below that $3 price point. So I'm about $300 total on my 100 shares would be really nice, guys. And I think that's going to be really nice. So this is another interesting stock, man. The China with teaming up with the Douyin, which is TikTok and ByteDance, man, has huge potential. And we're going to see what happens. I'm going to keep buying them down at those prices as they're down here. And we're going to see what the future holds. Am I right or wrong? Time will tell. So, all right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation, guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Check it out, man. There it is. Love it, man. It's looking good. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby.